this is Agege Festival close to Agege Stadium.
Yes.
So this guy is from Gombe. He just came in, I think.
Al-Azan.
Al-Azan is his name.
His name is Al-Azan.
His name is Azan. So he slumped down here and he said he has a coronavirus. And the residents here have been trying every possible best to call the authority in charge to come pick him up. And they are not picking calls, they are not responding. They are not picking calls, they are not responding. So please, if you have anything you can do to help, just come to this junction, Showonola Street, Abia bus stop. Come around there and pick him up. Please, it's dangerous being here and he's seriously in cold. Please, thank you. So, did he come in last night?
They said they saw him this morning.
Yeah, it's not as if we saw him when he was coming.
He was even complaining about his throat. He said his throat was already dry.
What's in your clothes? Cover your shirt.
He said that this morning come here.
So you follow me to come?
He said that this morning come. He said that since yesterday, he's the warrior.
He has coronavirus.
Coronavirus?
Yes. And he came in from north.
From Gombe.
From Gombe State. Okay. We'll see what you do. Let me go to the police station.